So first we're gonna mask out kind of like the area that we don't want to cut. That way we don't cut too much of the fender off, and then we don't have enough like place to actually bolt on the fenders. So yeah, so I'm gonna get that down, and we'll be back.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
Wrapped all the way. Just kind of have to like kind of do yourself like an outline of where to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut all this off. Just cause doing this little part here, just cause I wanted to cover the vents on the Rocket Bunny. So we'll see how that comes out. And then I kind of did a little bit more downer than I should, just cause I don't want to mess up. And if I have to cut more, I'd rather cut more than need some. So yeah, all right then, let's get cutting.
Show them.
Change the station with a new
Show them.
I forgot that I guess this interferes with the Rocket Bunny kit, so we're just gonna end up cutting this whole thing off. I'm gonna try to keep the bolts on here, that way it's more secure to the bumper. So with the bolts out here, we're gonna cut it maybe like that. Oh, we can get rid of all of this, but keep that bolt. Pretty much this one right here. We're gonna try to keep this one. Well, we're trying to keep both of them, but this is the only one that's kind of like in the way of the blade, so we're just gonna cut this way and cut all this off. All right, then next we're gonna bolt it on. Then I already got it that it fits and nothing's interfering with it. And yeah, so I'm gonna just self tap them for now, and then once I actually finish with the body work and all that stuff, we'll continue doing we'll bolt it on a different method.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. Show them.
change the station with a new
I want to give a little advice on bolting these on. For starters, it's a lot better with someone to be there with you, so they pretty much will like hold kind of like this area and kind of line it up however you want. And yeah, kind of advise, you could drill these out first, like just make some holes a little bit bigger than the self tappers or whatever you're using. If you're using rivets, then it'll be a little different. But just because if you are using it, pretty much this is only going to be for self tappers or kind of like this kind of style thing. When you do it, I would recommend drilling out a hole first, because when I was doing this, I would drill it, and then once I hit the fender, since the fender's it takes a lot longer to cut through, the Rocket Bunny will go up. So that kind of will fuck it up. Will mess it up, because obviously it kind of alters the fitment, or like kind of the gap thingy that you want to fix. But then sometimes, like when that would happen, it will kind of like, I guess, make a bigger hole, and the self topper will move freely. So that was a lot better. So I would recommend just pre-drilling them out a little bit bigger than the self toppers, and then yeah, you'll be able to put this on way easier than me. That's probably maybe also why I explained some of the gaps. But yeah, just wanted to give you a little heads up to that. And also, when you get around this area, just watch out, because the chassis is right behind this. So if you are using self tappers or any kind of like screw method, use small ones. Guys, if you have the stock skirts, when you get to this part, I guess, or when on the cutting section or cutting part, cut them off like around the same line that it is. It's gonna, if you don't, this are gonna sit like poking out. But yeah, once you could just get that, and it should be fine. You could bolt it down here and onto the skirt. You you should be good. Good to go. It's kind of wet because I just wanted to take off the little, like, I guess the metal shavings and stuff like that. This is pretty much how the fitment is. You see little gaps here and there. It's pretty decent right here. Just a little gap right there, very small. There's one that's pretty significant right here. Maybe if I move this one a little bit more outwards, it'll fit better. But yeah. And then right here, there was like a gap right here, but I put one right here, so kind of got rid of it. And then there's a little small gap there, and yeah, the rest is pretty good. We can see the other side now. There's a gap right there. There's significant gap here and here. I'll try to see if maybe I can move it out and see if I could do it. Yeah. Same thing on this side where, I mean, this one's better, but better from this, like this part of the fender. And I was able to keep this part of the fender when I cut out, so it looks pretty good. All right, what's up, guys? So I finished the install of the Rocket Bunny fenders and kind of just want to give you guys a better walk around of the car. So here she is. I also cut my my side skirts to fit the Rocket Bunny. I felt like that was a better look than cutting the fender off. So it feels like way more cleaner, way more nicer. I also don't have the N3R bumper on right now because a buddy of mine gave me this bumper, and I feel like I should just daily this one. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, if I should maybe even get a lip for it and just wrap it all one color. I don't know. I like it. I think it looks cool. Yeah. If you guys want to know how I got the side skirts on the fenders, I'm gonna make a video for that. It's gonna be probably a quick video. It's not that hard. But yeah, hope you guys like the video. Hopefully it helps out. And yeah, until the next part that I install, or until the next vlog, I guess. I don't know what you guys want to call these kind of videos, but lates.
Yeah.